Perfect.
Good afternoon and welcome to each and everyone on this health webinar. My name is Ashok Desai. I am anchoring this webinar. I am an engineer MBA, recently retired from a senior position in a reputed public sector company. Ground rule of this webinar is keep your speaker and video on mute. At the end of the webinar, we shall have a question answer session. Today's speaker is a genetic wellness consultant and international corporate trainer. Now, I welcome our today's speaker, Mr. Kishore Baraskar, sir. Handing over to you now, sir.
Thank you, Ashok ji. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Kishore Baraskar, so I welcome you all. First of all, I must congratulate you and, of course, all of us that we are fighting Corona challenge and we are doing it responsibly. Mask we are wearing, hand sanitizing we are doing, social distancing we are maintaining, and also if not required, we are not going out of the house. And definitely I feel with this, we will conquer this challenge. Now taking this to further, today's topic, genetic profiling, genetic wellness. Whatever I have experienced after doing my genetic profiling, etc., what I have felt, all that my experience, I'm going to share with you. So friends, let's have a very cordial discussion, and definitely after the session, I can take question answers. And this whole seminar is about you and your family. Friends, just to understand, okay, if you are seeing the screen on the in front of you, you are seeing a cat eating dog food. Is it good? Of course not. Somebody who is doing exercise which was not meant for him or her, and they are into trouble. All these answers we are going to get from this seminar. And friends, just understand that for your family means husband, wife, brother, mother, sister, parents, children. For these close people, the kind of love and care what you will give, can anybody else give? Of course not. That means you have to live longer and very healthy for them as well as for yourself. So this seminar is for you because I feel there are two threats. What are they? Number one is, of course, I take it as only 10% threat. That is of accidents. You know, even if I'm walking on footpath also, somebody can dash me and I can die. Accidents can happen anytime, anywhere, we never know. So that is 10% risk for our life. Okay? But balanced 90% risk, friends, is of our body and different kinds of diseases attacking us. So listen to me very carefully this whole seminar. After the whole seminar, you will find that this 90% risk of your body and diseases can be minimized. You will feel good, you will feel confident of living healthy life and do very longer life. So let's see how it is. So since this threat has come up, let us understand what is the threat. See, we all are fighting, approximately it is said, over 300 diseases. Commonly known: blood pressure, diabetes, acidity, ulcer, asthma, migraine, muscle injuries, skin allergies, then constipation, gas. tumors, lot of. And we have been taking a lot of medicines, doing a lot of tests, blood test, urine test, stool test, x-rays, etc., over a period of time. And some of the diseases are such that we have to take medicine throughout the life. I'm sure you are aware, blood pressure, diabetes, and many other diseases that you have to take medicines continuously. It is painful, a lot of restrictions on food, and also lakhs and lakhs of rupees are, gone into that, are going into that. So friends, all these challenges put us back foot, and these are the challenges where something fatal happens and we are not there, or the death happens. Now imagine, let's take simple heart attack. Earlier, if somebody used to get heart attack was at maybe 60s, 70s. But today, at what age heart attack people get? Can you imagine? I have seen 15, 20 years, young boys, 20, 30 years, 35, 40 years, young people dying of heart attack, and that too without any chance of revival. Dead. Yes or no? So whatever we are earning, whatever you are doing, friends, all this is for what? We should have a happy, healthy life, no? So this big question of 90% threat, how much you will value? It is value of our life and death. So this genetic profiling technology, which has come to India, is going to give you relief, happiness, everything. So listen to me very carefully. Now, let us understand first why this disease occur. And whenever we go to doctor, definitely they will give you some medicines. Then they will tell you that, okay, after 2 days, come over and just show me how you feel. And when you do that, after 2 days, again, if you say, okay, doctor, slight improvement is there, but acidity has gained, then what will doctor do? Definitely he will give you change prescription and also go tablet for acidity removal. Means you have to take 4, 5, 10 pills every day, 3 times a day, and at the same time you have to do a lot of tests. All this is going on. Now till today, these doctors, they were treating with general medication. Generic bolte hain, generic, general. And the point is, everybody's body is different. So the same medicine cannot be actually applied. But this is the practice. Now, let us understand the root cause of the disease. See, whatever doctor treats, they are treating to symptom. They are trying to reduce the symptom. But why that symptom has occurred, that really speaking don't know. They don't know much because everybody's body is different. Now that's the reason for finding out this root cause. There was a very big survey, research happened in USA. The research name was Human Genome Project. This was a very huge research, and this research actually was done by many countries coming together, and they actually done the research on the genetics. What is genes? Genetics? Okay, I'll explain you next slide. Just next slide. Now see, you must be knowing this helix. In childhood, we have this lesson, DNA. Okay. So this DNA comprises of horizontal lines are there, no? They are base pairs, it is called. Adenine, thymine, guanine, cytosine. These base pairs, genes, carry all the information from your generations. We used to listen to this, no, Anuvanshik, hereditary, right? So in this Human Genome Project, these genes were researched, and they found that right from our elderly people, like generations, grandfather, grandparents, etc., from this, these genes travel to next generation. Now, from our dad and mom, or your mother and father, when their chromosomes 23 each made, this DNA is formed, and while this formation of the genes, there is a defect in some of the genes. Technically, it is called mutation. Okay? These genes, they are having the mutation, but we don't know, nor our parents. So when we are young, we start eating food. Our parents start giving food based on their knowledge, availability, and whatever they have been doing. And there is a challenge because they don't know what is genetic mutation in your body. So whatever they give you food, out of that, some elements of the food not good for your body, not good for the challenge where that gene has mutation. And these genes actually mutate, the mutation of the gene, that is, we can call it as a defect. If this remains like this, the disease may not occur. I'll explain you this phenomena with a simple example. In war, there are landmines, landmines kept under the ground. Now those landmines will remain like this for years. But if somebody stamps on it, some heavy weight comes on that, it will explode. These genes are same like this. These genes, where the mutation is, it can be burst or explode. It will express how 70% food can affect it, and 30% the environment. Means whatever your parents are giving you food, out of that, if certain elements, certain food items are not good for you, it will affect the gene. Plus environment means you are daily getting up, sleeping habits, pollution around you, electromagnetic waves, mobile phone radiations, all this start affecting. Pollution, all this. So 70% of food and 30% of these external factors start affecting, stamping, you can say, on these genes where the mutation is. And now what happens? That becomes our habit. And every day the challenge is there for those genes. And one day the gene explodes. And that expression of gene, we call it as a disease. Now you understood how it comes? Okay. Now listen to me very carefully, because most of the cases this phenomena happen. That is, when the expression of the gene, that is a disease, comes up, doctors with the medicines, they start suppressing it. But the challenge is, since doctors may not have the knowledge of genetic predisposition, whatever doctor gives the medicines, that may not work, because after taking the pill, you are taking wrong food. And that wrong food, nobody knows whether it is right or wrong food for your gene. And that is why temporarily feel okay, that disease has come down, I'm feeling okay. But after some time, again it will burst out. So this is a challenge. And that is why, to find out the root cause, this Human Genome Project was done. And this Human Genome Project, it was revealed that they found out over 25,000 genes. And that means what? Each gene has a particular role. Each gene has particular role. But because of mutation, because of that defect, if this gene expresses, then it is revealed that these kinds of certain kinds of diseases will occur because of that particular gene. And this is proven in this research. So what happens now? Simple. Human Genome Project, they have a huge research papers, and based on that research papers, some machines are calibrated, and the term has come, genetic profiling, of course, but there are two ways of genetic profiling. Next slide. One is that clinical test. Now, clinical testing, diagnosis, is done by many big hospitals for critically ill patients, where they will find out what kind of line of treatment that patient should get, or what kind of medicines will suit him. So these are clinical tests. Now what we are doing, what you have come here for, is predisposition test, and it comes under wellness, nutrition and fitness. This is called nutrigenomics, nutrition based on genes. So we are into this, and we are into wellness. So what we do, next slide. Simple. We have a product called MAG Genomics. MAG is for our company, Magnesa. This company is 7 years old in this business, established 7 years back, doing business internationally. And Magnesa has developed this product called MAG Genomics. DNA-based personalized nutrition. The important word is also personalized. It will be only for you, your body. So next slide. So what we do is, through your saliva, you have to just give your saliva. See, genetic test, this gene test. We know two types of tests very easily, commonly known as, DNA testing, where police does this test for criminal investigations, for investigating some dead body, or even suppose the custodial case comes up, who is the biological parents, etc. Then this DNA testing is done, and because it is 100% accurate, that is why it is done. So same test we are doing, but we are doing for nutrigenomics, nutrition based on genes. Now, after you give saliva, around 100 predisposition test. What is predisposition? Means the chances of those kinds of diseases, the chances of occurring it in your lifespan. Predisposition. So predisposition conditions, we approximately test 100 conditions, and you will get one elaborative report of your own genetic profiling. Now, to understand how important this is for you and your family, and what kind of different aspects are taken care, predisposition risk. So in your screen, maybe it's blur or whatever, but this is a report. We will be sending you on sample report on your WhatsApp. So just be rest assured, you will get all the information. Now, what we test, let me give a brief about it so that you will understand how comprehensive, and for entire system in the body, you will get the test reports. Let's first is vitamins. Now, you all know that whenever you are sick, when you go to doctor, first thing doctor will tell you, you need vitamins. Vitamins, you can say. What is that? So we test in your body whether really that vitamin is produced or not. We don't know, but this test will tell you. So A vitamin, B, D, K, B12, all these tests are done. Because most of the time happens this, that when you are told to take vitamins, what happens is you are taking multivitamins. But out of that, many vitamins you may not be needing it. You don't need it. And excessive also vitamins can damage your body. So if you get this precisely about your body, predisposition risk, so many different diseases you can prevent. See, this genetic profiling is also predictive and preventive. Why predictive? Because this predisposition risk that may not have occurred to you, but since it is predicting, you can prevent it. How to prevent it or lower the risk, we will guide you. So all these tests are there, vitamin test. Then we have cardiovascular. Now imagine, as I told you, the heart attack. Now when heart attack, I told you it is nowadays anybody can get, get a challenge of heart attack, dying on the spot as well. But having those heart blocks in the heart, etc., is a phenomena which might occur in later stage, maybe, or maybe immediate. But before it occurs, if you come to know, then amazing. How? See, we have predisposition test for entire cardiovascular diseases, cardiovascular system, triglycerides test we have. See, this kind of a printout you can take. So cardiovascular is there, cholesterol, hypertension risk. Like this, there are 10, 12 tests are there. If this test you understand correctly and there are predisposition risk, then you can actually work on that and actually you can avoid formation of those blocks. So you can avoid, these things also, heart attack also. So this is very important test. And these are all genetic tests, mind you. Whatever you do, stress tests, cardiovascular tests, these are only external, how it is functioning. But in genes, what is the predisposition risk? It can happen that, you do your yearly checkup. It can happen that you do the test, yearly checkup. They will give you, okay, everything is fine. But friends, genetically, you may be at the edge. And I have seen many examples. After the yearly checkup also, in 1 month, 2 months, that person has died. And that is only because they don't know the predisposition risk and their lifestyle and food habits are not as enough or not as per their genes. Then we have definitely obesity, body weight. I call it as, very glamorous disease. Why? Because whole world, including elderly people, they all want to look fit, slim, for girls, definitely they want to maintain figure, everything is there, and crores of rupees people are spending on only obesity reduction. They will change diet, they will take diet decisions, they will take up a lot of, gyms, they will hit gyms. Also, whatever, this ad, night television, at night, midnight, this ad comes of different instruments. People will buy, they will buy, even a treadmill at home, everything is there. But friends, again, there is a challenge. Now you only see in your area, everybody, a lot of people take morning walk. Yes or no? Yeah, you may be also one of them. Now, they are taking this morning walk since years and still their body weight is the same. Why? Friends, because they don't know what their genes need. They might be requiring running, they are doing only walking. They might be requiring weight training, they don't know. their physical, ability, or even this muscle test, they may not be knowing, and their muscle require different set of exercises, plus food, even for fitness. So friends, all these tests are there, because once you understand your body genetically, you yourself can work out nicely and you can reduce weight. I'll give you example of my own example later. So those tests are there. Then we have behavioral tests. Can you imagine, friends? As you are aware right now also around going on negativity, some people become so negative that they go into depression. Friend, depression also can be known genetically whether that risk is there or not. Some people, they take up stress very fast. This test is there. In behavior, can you imagine some of the people, this is a very strange, but it is true. Many people do not get signal that their tummy is full while eating, and they get signal very late. By the time they have overeaten. And it happens every day. It is called, there is a test here, it's called satiety test, wherein if you understand that, you will eat satisfactorily and also as much required. That's all. It will help you in obesity, also reduction of obesity. See, in behavior, there are many tests are there. Addictions. Do you know, genetically predisposition is for addiction. Many times, now you only tell me, if your son comes and tells you that, okay, Dad, I want to feel like smoking, you'll start shouting down, hitting him. But he said what? I feel like. He may not have started, no. But why is feeling, there is a genes that if that is there, the predisposition risk, he might feel. And if you understand, if you do this test for him, and if you understand that, you can really take care of him. You can educate, we have different things to do, and then you can really, save him from that addiction also. See, these are all predisposition risks. Then we have genetic testing for neurology. Now imagine, all of us, all of the things aside, and people will tell you that, that brain, we don't know much. You have to do brain scanning, everything, but really don't know much. Can you imagine? Let's take migraine. What? In migraine, people only taking sleeping pills, injections, painkillers, everything, right? But it occurs time to time, periodically. Even many people will tell you that migraine cannot be, cured. But friends, migraine occur because of certain things, it aggregates, no? So if you have a genetic risk of migraine, that also test we have. Schizophrenia, we have the test, predisposition. See, this exactly is very elaborative and genetic testing, which is required for your family. And can you imagine, it is in one test itself. This is comprehensive. Mac Genomics is our product, which is comprehensive. Now see the risk, another risk of eating foods. Certain type of food some people do not, digest. For example, let's talk about food, lactose intolerant. Now many people don't know that lactose intolerance kind of a phenomena is there. Why? Because they don't know. It is genetically most of the time. See, a lot of illness will occur because you are taking wrong food. Gluten intolerance. Lactose also. Can you imagine, if you have two children, one child quickly drinks and he runs, but another child makes faces. He will say, no, I don't want, I feel like vomiting, this, that. But mothers hit and they say, okay, drink. You're making natak. Sorry. But friends, it will be true that genetically he may have that predisposition risk. And because of that, he will have so many illness, bloating he will have, cough, skin challenges he can have, many things. Similarly, gluten intolerance. You know, gehu, wheat, there is a protein called, it's a sticky. It is called gluten. Now, gluten, many people do not digest. People don't know. See, people have this, stomach upset, constipation, gas all the time, many times. You know what happens? If they have a predisposition risk of gluten intolerance, what will happen? This gluten will stick to intestine. And in intestine, there are villi, small bird-like thing, which absorbs all the nutrients that get broken. Now, because of the gluten, indigestion, everything will happen. And because of constipation gas, you will have so many diseases. Skin allergies you will have, intestine gets damaged, then liver, kidney cannot function. Then many times you take a lot of stuff like, Hajmola you'll have so many different, medicines. And what is the sad part is, today you will take all these medicines, anything like for acidity, antacid and all, Digene, everything you will take. But second day, what will happen? Second day, it will be the same because you are manufacturing it and you don't know why. Poorly, some people say, you know what? They say, hey, I don't eat much. I eat only 2 chapatis. That's all. But friends, if he is having gluten intolerance, those 2 chapatis only creating problem. Gluten is everywhere. Roti, chapati, pasta, noodle, cake, pastries, beer, lot of places you will find this. And that remain throughout life. And we say it is not getting cured because you are manufacturing it. Sorry to say this. So like this caffeine, those people who are getting heart attack, cardiovascular diseases, simple reason, many people are having that simple reason is only caffeine. People take a lot of coffee, they will have this. Another thing is all the cold drinks. When you have these cold drinks, backside it is written always caffeine content, but we ignore. So many times I feel very sad that people and even students, young people, they will take pasta, noodle, something, and along with that they will take that cold drink, which is caffeine in content. It's all damaging, friends, if he has a caffeine intolerance risk. So that's how your entire system is a challenge. Then we have predisposition risk of cancer. Many types of cancer occur, right? Now, as you are aware, cancer always detected at last stage or very, where it goes beyond the limit. Correct or not? Now, friends, before that, if you come to know that there is a risk of some cancer, will you not take care? We have a predisposition risk of cancers too. And basically, if you have some element, some illness, may it be high obesity, may it be, constipation gas, or even acidity, higher acidity you carry for long period also can generate damage and it can lead to cancers also. No? There are a lot many. So we have different predisposition of, the cancer also. See, bladder cancer, then, breast cancer, colonal, then gastric cancer. There are a lot many tests we do. So you will come to predisposition risk. Then we have response to drugs. Friends, this is very interesting. Have you heard that many times somebody tells you that my so-and-so, my relative, he died because of wrong treatment. Friends, it's possible. Because if generalized treatment is given to somebody and at the same time he has a predisposition risk of certain things or certain drugs, of course he is going to have an adverse effect. It happens. We have the test, some of the drugs what you take regularly, then if you understand that it may not work for you, you will do something else and your body will not damage. For example, metformin. Now let's see, metformin is given to generally all diabetic patients. Metformin and eat high fiber food, etc. Now there are many people whom this metformin does not suit. Metformin response is very poor. And if they keep on taking it, they will have adverse effects. Now people don't know, they keep on taking and they are getting many different challenges, health challenges. Are you getting me? Riboflavin. Whether it will suit to you or not, you don't know. Or BP patients, you don't know. So like this, there are many different tests are there, genetic tests, where you can actually come to know different predisposition risk. So even if somebody prescribes you that particular medicine, you can tell them, doctor, I have this predisposition risk of this particular disease, or sorry, antibiotic. So he may give you different. In fact, this whole report, if you keep it with you, wherever, and it's on email, etc. Don't worry. So whenever you get some critical illness or some accident or somewhere where you are not in your town, not with your family friend, can you imagine this will give the idea to the doctor who is strange to you. You are strange to that doctor. Still, he will have an idea what will work or what may not work with you. Friend, this is amazing. Okay. Then we have different, other tests also. To just name a few. Liver fibrosis risk, we have a test. Then we have hepatitis disease. Decline in renal function. There is a test for this, genetic. Predisposition to asthma. Many people have this asthma challenge. Okay? So this we have. We have spot baldness, dialysis outcome, etc., etc. This all list we will give you. Now, friends, once this report comes to you by email, it's personalized report. So we don't give it to anybody. Only on your email you will get it. Once this comes to you, go through it 4 times, 5 times. And the best part is how it is shown very nicely with colors and very distinctly you can understand it. Layman can read it and understand it. And we have given the, kind of a manual how to read this. Next slide. See this. Now in your screen, like this one predisposition risk, on the right side is the intensity. In this intensity is clearly written. High risk, low risk, intermediate risk, nominal risk, etc. These colors, red is high risk, green is very low. And also they have given some recommendations brief. And on the left side, suppose this is hypertension reversal. So they have briefed it on the left side that what it is, how it is, and what care you have to do. This is the basics. Like this, you will get the entire report, approximately 90 pages. Next. Now what will happen? The best part which I like is we have genetic experts. These experts will call you and do counseling. You can tell them if you have any challenges, you are taking any medicine, you can tell them. Non-veg, whatever. Now, this in few days you will get a simple action plan. I like this because see, whatever all of us, everything is given to you. Now, after everything, every big good report, you feel that, okay, somebody now guide me and I will take that. That's it. Simplicity. So this action plan is the simplicity. In this action plan, whatever risks are there, first you will be told for this kind of risk, predisposition risk, you have to do certain tests, medical tests. So since it is specific, friends, your money is saved. You don't have to do all the tests again and again. No. Then what they will tell you is, based on this risk, they will tell you what kind of food is suitable to your body. And they will even write what you should not do. So basically, what you should eat, what you should not eat. You will get a diet recommendations in detail. After that, they will tell you lifestyle modifications. Remember what I have told you? 70% food, 30% is the lifestyle we have to change. So in that they will mention waking up or addictions or anything, or exercising. Fitness also recommendations will come. What kind of exercise you need. Those exercises you can do. And at the end, they will give you in this page itself is what kind of supplements you will require. Imagine, friends, lot of supplements, lot of things you go on taking once you are sick, once you get the disease. And a lot of supplements are not required for you, but still you take because you are ignorant, and that's it. But here what will happen? One, you are specific and you know you are challenged now because of this predisposition, genetic report. Then you have an action plan which is so specific that they will tell you that exactly you have to just follow. So those supplements also, you know exactly what you have to follow. And friends, this action plan is saving lakhs and lakhs of people now. And it's very new in India. It is expected that 30% population of the world will do this test in just next 5 to 8 years. Means in India, around 40 crore people would be doing this test. It will, later on, it will be just like, doing a blood test, but they will say, no, you need genetic test. Further, some important things are coming, like, suppose HR is there, you want to apply for company. Companies may not do your tests, blood tests, etc. They will say, okay, give me your genetic report. They would want to know your genetic risk also before employing you. If you are going for marriage, now what will happen? For this marriage, people will say, okay, give genetic report of the girl and guy. They will match, they will see whether it's good, compatible, so that, their children may not be special child. Like this, so many things they are coming up new. And friends, henceforth, healthy life will be on agenda like this. Just imagine 4-5 months back, sadly, those people who have died in Corona, did they ever imagine that they are going to die after 4 months? Maybe their immunity was low, what doctors are saying. And if this genetic report they had done earlier, they knew predisposition risk, and they had taken the they have made the corrections in lifestyle and food, etc. They would have been alive. So right now, in this Corona challenge, everyone must do this test, because next 4, 5, 6 months, whatever time is there, not only this for Corona, but you should be healthy for life. When SARS came, we said, okay, nothing will happen. Now Corona has come. Now after Corona also something might come. But your body should be powerful, very strong internally also. And your immunity should be very high. And if you don't have any other health challenges, this Corona, etc., may not affect you. So friends, now this is entire thing is called Max Genomics. Means 100, predisposition risk, 90-page report, then counseling, and after that, this action plan. Friends, quickly, I will tell you my experience, then we can take on question and answers. Friends, before doing this, I was very fat. I had tummy out. Then I have 4-5 challenges. Then, so this is the inner page of action plan, which I just explained. What are the things you will see in this? So my experience, I was overweight. My knees had started paining. Okay, that's me. Don't laugh at me, how I was looking. Okay, then there was a black melamine, or a black, you can say, under my eyes, lot. Face was also little, that melamine was there. My knees had started paining because, of the weight. my muscle injury I had. Why I had, I will also tell you that. See, to reduce weight, as I told earlier, obesity, I was going to gym. I was giving 3,000 rupees to personal trainer and plus dietitian and other things. Overall, my 60, 70,000 rupees where I was spending only on my gymming and my diet, etc. Personal trainer. But results were not as much as I wanted. First challenge. Then he was taking me heavy, giving me heavy exercises. So it developed on right hand side my muscle injury, which was there for 6 months, friends. 6 months. 4 doctors, one physiotherapy, no results. Around 40-50,000 rupees I spent, nothing, no result. And when I did my test, genetic profiling, I understood my body. I saw these recommendations. Friends, I immediately started working on it. And to tell you, you will be surprised that in 3 to 4 months, I lost 9 kgs. Then that black things under my eyes, for which I was doing every 15-20 days, I used to go for, facial. And the worst part was, where I was doing facial, in their mirror, I used to look, wow, I said, okay, good. When I used to go home and I seen my mirror, I was the same. Even after 2-3 days or 8 days, my face was the same. But friends, when I altered my lifestyle based on my genetic report and the recommendations, action plan, around in 5-6 months, slowly this thing went off. You can see this thing. And the best part, which you will love, is that I started looking 15 years young. Would you like to look 10 to 15 years younger than your real age? There you go. And also the energy, excitement of life. You will see my next pic. Just see. Can you imagine the transformation? Would you love this transformation in yourself? Would you be healthy, happy, And I was told to take a blood pressure medicine every day, which I did not. But because of all these lifestyle modifications, I don't take any medicine and my BP is okay. Friends, I was having a cough continuously. I was having bloating. Lot of my challenges went off. Like this, many people have reduced so many challenges, health challenges. So friends, this particular genetic profiling is required and you will be doing either today or tomorrow. But I always say, tomorrow we never know. So better do it today. And if I had not done this profiling and if I had not known my body, I would have been the same what you saw me just now. And by the time I would have started taking pills, my weight would have been increased earlier also, more than that. Energy is gone and I would have gone to, looking very old. Today my energy is back. I am healthy, happy, and confidence is skyrocketing because not a single medicine I'm taking. So nice feeling. Energy is wow. By the way, I'm just 54. 54, yeah. The friends of my age, 54, they look like my father now. just kidding. But that kind of a fantastic wow feeling I've got only because of this. So friends, now what you need to do and understand is, this genetic profiling is for you. And the best part is costing. When I had seen this, I felt that since it is taking care of all my body, it is taking care of entire my systems, and over so many predisposition risks I'm getting to know now, which I can really prevent and work on it. So I said, that time I talked to myself that if this test, they are giving it, let's say 1 lakh, because as it is, I have spent thousands of rupees only on this blood test every time, and time to time I have to do it again and again. So as it is, lakhs of rupees I was spending to gym and etc. And today, just to tell you frankly, in lockdown, I am still of the same weight. Can you imagine? Because I eat only what I know and I should eat. That's all. So no health challenges at all. So friends, I was ready to buy this test for 1 lakh because entire my life will be healthy and lakhs of rupees I will be saving, which otherwise I would have to spend once the disease occurs. Now, I was ready for spending 5-6 lakh rupees my entire family. When I understood the cost, I was very happy, friends. The cost of this, or rather I would say not cost, just investment for yourself, only 37,300, which includes everything, one time. Because all other tests, blood test, urine test, etc., you have to do again and again. But this Max Genomics, genetic profiling, you have to do only once in lifetime. And good news for you. The good news is simple. Since you are our guest today, we are offering this at distributor price. Means instead of 37,300, you will get this test only for 29,900, and that too inclusive of GST. Amazing. And icing on that is, if you go for 2 tests for your spouse or children or everybody, anybody, 2 tests, we are offering only at 40,000 rupees, which means just merely 20,000 rupees. If you spend once in life, your entire family and entire life will be amazing. Friends, just imagine when you go outing, you spend how much? You give your children or spouse or anybody mobile handset of maybe 50-60,000 rupees, which is another next year or in a year, 2 years time, you're going to change. You see a one movie with the family, it takes 2,000 to 3,000 rupees at a time with the food, etc. Even if you don't spend, don't see 10 movies, you can change your life health-wise. So take a wise decision. This is one time and that's it, you are free. Okay. So now I will take questions. If somebody has any questions, they can ask. Okay, one more time. Sorry, this is remaining. Can you see on your screen? Intestine. Next. Brain, heart, lungs. You know, friends, if you don't do this today, do you know what is happening with others? They are spending lakhs of rupees on buying the organ. Yes or no? I know so many people are waiting for kidneys, eyes. We see heart transplant, we see so many, body parts transplant. Yes or no? And tomorrow you never know that you have to buy this. So how much is the cost you are going to spend? Take it very seriously that you should know your body. I call it as a manual, body manual. Just like how we have Gita, Quran, Bible for, guidance, different level. But here, this manual, once in a life, in just 20,000 rupees, you can have entire life good. And I pray that you need not go for these kinds of, buying, friends. So just do your Max Genomics today. The person who has invited you, just talk to him and do it today. You can pay online, debit card, credit card, online transfer, everything. But friends, secure your family and keep on loving, caring your family forever. I know people spend a lot of money on Mediclaim, insurance, correct? But instead of that you do, that is good. But if you be healthy for life, nothing like it, you will enjoy life fullest. Thank you very much. I can take on the questions. Are you getting?
Yeah, right. In between, there are many changes because of our food habits. Yeah.
Yes, any age person can do.
See, there are many changes has happened because of our food habits.
Yes.
So, in between or otherwise at the end of life, if we are changing, if we are taking this type of test and bringing action into the life, will it work?
Yes, it will work. And actually, if they are suffering from certain things, that would come down. I'll give you an example. Good question you asked. Okay, I'll give you an example. You know psoriasis, skin diseases? Okay. Now, there was one guy, he was having it for 20 years. skin disease. He was applying everything. And you know, and I'm sure you all must be knowing that if it hits badly, it comes all over body. And a lot of itching and stuff. Now, he was diagnosed that he was having lactose and even gluten intolerance. So when he stopped all the wheat intake, and that his age was around 50 something. Now when that intake started reducing on top, what happened? The predisposition risk of that, that started going down. And actually, he felt nice. His itching started lowering. That means, even if at the age of 50, he was getting the return. Because it all depends on your genetic predisposition and what kind of activities you're doing and the lifestyle as well as the food intake. It is simple like this. Can you put diesel into a petrol car? We cannot. Similarly, we continue eating wrong food again and again, and that is why this predisposition risk, pop up. That is expressed. So just do this for anybody and everybody who is alive. That's it. It will help.
You mean this works for the patients also?
For patients, it will work double. How? Suppose somebody is having some kind of a disease and his medications are on. He will not tell you that immediately stop medicines and all. Okay, just keep on taking it. But now, the root cause for that particular disease will start coming down if he is doing all the habits as per the genetic predisposition. I will give you an example, okay? One lady, she was treated for long. In fact, she had gone into coma also because it was what happened then? Her brother, somebody approached his brother that your sister is always like this. Why don't you do genetic profiling? Because you did not know much. He said, okay. And when he did that, found that she was not, this, we have a test for metformin. So metformin was not suitable for her. And doctor had prescribed only metformin, no? So she was taking continuously metformin and it was aggravating. And also fiber food she was told to eat, we generally tell. But she was not requiring it. It was excess. So when they changed her entire thing while taking pills, but what happened then later? Because of these changes, that BP, etc., and even the diabetes started lowering. This will happen with the even patients because they don't know why they are sick. They are just taking medicines, For example, this gluten intolerant. Now, to patient also, when they will get things, they will be given one hot milk. Okay. Now, if somebody is not digesting it or somebody has a lactose intolerant, he will have a challenge, no? So this is altering your habits, food habits, and also lifestyle based on the. Now, for me, even muscle injuries. See, I told you, 6 months I was challenging. Now, when my report came, there was muscle injury, risk, which was there. Now, they told me that you will have muscle injuries, so you alter the exercises. And also, they told me that I was requiring omega-3. And this was all new to me. I was not knowing. So whatever they prescribed, I started. They told me that you should eat fish more for this omega-3. Otherwise, you eat this. So I did that. And to tell you frankly, till today, I have no muscle injury now. No muscle injury. And because of that ignorance, if I had continued doing all that, then I would have still limping. Anybody else?
Yes, Mr. Hello.
Yes, yes.
Hi, this is Vinay Kumar.
Yes, sir.
Yes. I have a question. Did you got any approval from a health organization?
Yes. See, it's a good question. Okay. Now understand, first thing, when
Yeah.
this research was done, this research, Human Genome Project, after this research papers, this all came from USA. Okay.
Okay.
Then certain machines started manufacturing this research reports and all. Means calibrated machines started coming in, and those machines are approved by American FDA. And those machines, because in India, this particularly this genetic study, very nascent stage, very young. But in US and all, billions of dollars they are spending on genetic profiling. And
Okay.
if you understand, because if anybody goes from here, for most of the celebrities go to US for medical treatment. Why? Because once they reach there, first their genetic reports are done. Now this technology has come to India. So in India, we have developed good labs. Those labs are into genetic profiling, and these labs, NABL is the organization which approves these labs and testing, etc. in India. Otherwise, nobody can operate like this. Okay? So all these are taken care of. Thank you.
Okay, fine.
Yes.
Good.
Anybody else?
Kishore sir, one person is asking a question
Yeah.
that, her mother had cancer.
Okay.
And is there any possibility that, she will also get cancer, or her children will get cancer?
Yes. Okay. Good point. This is asked. Now, do you know Angelina Jolie, the American actress? Everybody must be knowing. Now, when her profiling was done, genetic profiling, she was told that she has a risk of breast cancer because her mother and ancestors, they had this risk because they had died, seems, because of breast cancer. And when they diagnosed her, they found that predisposition risk of breast cancer she has had. So what did she do? She removed her breast before it occurs. It occurred. Can you imagine? She took the prevention. And this is really good example. And she is now strong, supporter and promoter of genetic profiling because she has benefited big way. And generally, what happens, we are product of what? My parents, no? So mother and father, both genetical things can come inside me. And to be frank with you, just this, I have seen 10, 15 family members dying of only cancer in one family. I have seen that. So better, to do this diagnosis test, predisposition risk, and work accordingly. I'm sure you will benefit. But your question that if mother had this, you will have it. Yes, there are chances. But again, for example, let's say even simple example. Suppose parents have, let's say, diabetes. So everybody says, "Acha, parents ko hai, aapko hoga, that you will have this diabetes." Then what happens, poorly? Sadly, people go on testing every 1-2 months. Whether they have got the son or daughter, I'm talking. They test for diabetes. No. And one fine day, doctor says, "Oh, you have got the diabetes. Now you have to continue the medicines." Now, against this, think what I'm saying. If your parents, they have a diabetes, now you have risks, correct? But why to wait till it occurs to you? It makes sense that if you know early, so why don't you do this genetic profiling test? And if you have that risk of having diabetes, you start taking the different ways to avoid it. And you can avoid, you can prevent. So that is much more better than wait for the disease, and after the disease, entire life keep on taking medicines and lakhs of rupees spending on that. So it's really wise, if you really feel, do this test. And I am again telling you, this test you should do for your children first. Along with you, we are doing it for 4-5 years children. Why? Because if you do this test for them, what will happen? All these predisposition risks you understand, and then you will make their habits of all the habits like food, getting up, water intake, everything. Those habits you will cultivate based on his genetic report. So friends, they will be really have healthy life, and you will educate them like anything. Does that answer you? Answer the question?
Yeah, it answered the question. Now, one Mr. Nagraj Avgan from Goa, he has one question. He has raised his hand.
Yes.
Hello, can you allow me?
Yes, go ahead.
Yes, please.
Are you listening? Can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Do you have any slide or demonstration how the test is done and how the result sheet is?
Yes. Actually, the person who has invited you, he will send you that on WhatsApp.
The result sheet, do you have right now to see how
Yes,
the
yes.
result looks?
That also you will get. We call it as a sample report because it is very personal report. So we give sample report, but same report you will get for your body. We will send you.
After the report, what we should do?
Pardon? Sorry.
After the report, what we should do?
See, after the report, once you go through it, you will start understanding your body. Then you will be given one counseling call. And after that, you will get the action plan. That action plan is very simple. And you have to just follow that action plan. Whatever they say, you do this, you do that. You avoid this, you avoid that. That's it. They will in fact tell you what kind of food also you should, what kind of food you should avoid. Exercises also they will recommend to you. That's all.
This test is a separate test for each disease, each symptom, or it is a common test for all type of diseases and symptoms?
See, we call it as a predisposition risk. So over 100 predisposition risks we have, and this is comprehensive. Whatever the systems I told you, like cardiovascular, the neurological, then foods, intolerances, drug, whatever I narrated to you now, all that comes under this maximum. This is only one product. I just
under one test. Under one test is it? Under one test is it?
It is as a whole one Maxinomics which has all these elements. So you don't have to pay anything extra. This is under one Maxinomics product.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, thank you. Welcome.
Okay, one guest, he says he is taking insulin as on today and another 6 to 7 tablets. Okay, so if he does this test, whether his diabetes will get cured and other medicines which he is taking need not take after some time?
Okay, how many years he is taking these medicines?
He has been taking since nearly 20 years.
20. Okay. So now my first question to him, if the medicine was good, then why is taking for 20 whole years? Okay. Okay. Anyway, see, we have a specifically insulin test. Okay. And that test will absolutely be very useful to him. And in fact, once he gets the report and he alters his lifestyle based on this gene report, his dosage would come down slowly. He has to just continue taking that, but slowly he will feel better. And once he starts testing, the pills will go down. This has happened, and definitely it will help him. In fact, he has to take it because over 20 years, so much money and so much painful thing he has been, suffering from. But rather, you do the test, in that specific insulin test is also there, and he will benefit for sure.
So what about another 6 to 7 medicines he is taking? So
whatever he is taking for, once he alters his lifestyle and everything, those things will start reducing based on his severity. Okay. Because his entire body will start giving results, entire systems. He has to only follow that action plan.
Okay. Now, Pramod Desai has raised the hand. He can ask the question now.
Okay, what is it?
Hello.
Yes.
Hello. I am Pramod Desai.
Yes, sir.
I am suffering from diabetes and BP
Okay.
since 20 years.
See, this is
now back pain, now neck pain and spinal back neck pain is I am suffering, and
Next
diabetes insulin I am taking every day. What we should do? What steps I have to take?
Sir, simply I will tell you, so many things are happening with you. See, blood pressure, diabetes, and even the pain you are saying. Sir, you need this test very badly because, see, at present you are doing, and this will deteriorate because you are taking medicines since long and it is not reducing because genetical predisposition you must know. And once you know that, definitely this will help you to reduce. And you have to take it earliest because, you have everything, the challenge. So you have to work on that very fast. Very fast. I suggest.
Then I have to take a generic test. I have to take a generic test.
No, it is not which genetic. No, this Max Genomics I'm saying. Genetic profiling.
Genetic profile. Okay. Okay.
This is, see, understand. Max Genomics is one product of ours. In that entire things, whatever we spoke just now since starting, all these challenges will be, dealt, and it will be on your paper, your predisposition risk, and then based on that, you will have this action plan. So just have a peace of mind that you must know that your body and work on it accordingly. And most of the cases, you will suppose you have this kind of diseases. For certain diseases, it might occur next time, so maybe next month, next year. That also you can, prevent once you understand it. So it is very much important. You need to do this.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Yes.
Okay. Right.
Okay. Now, Mr. Vinay Kumar has one more question.
Okay.
Hello. No,
Yeah.
no. Actually, my question is over. Eventually, I raise the hand.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Anybody else has a question? They can raise the hand so that I can unmute them and they can ask a question. Here is an opportunity to ask question in this question answer session. वीरेंद्र पांडे जी, आपको कुछ पूछना है तो पूछिए.
नहीं कोई नहीं है. If any question is there, I will definitely ask you. No problem.
Here I would like to also say one thing on migraine also. Many people, they get severe migraine attack frequently. But when they do this predisposition test, they understand how it triggers, why it triggers. And many people have reversed that condition also of migraine. So it's really important that everybody should have this. And those who are healthy, suppose somebody does not have any health challenge now, but they can't guarantee that they won't have later, no? So even healthy people should do this. This is not for only sick people, okay? This is for healthy people to remain healthy. Because they will understand, okay, now I'm healthy. What kind of risk I'm carrying? If they understand, and based on this action plan, if this alter the lifestyle, they will remain healthy. Just trust me. See, today I'm taking no medicine. I can dance, I can run, I can drive hours together. No any symptom of anything. And absolutely, I'm feeling very healthy and wow. That's the power of this particular. If I travel, let's say, I travel many times, people say, no, I went there and that food or water does not, did not suit me. I travel extensively now, here and also abroad. But friends, wherever I go, I find out the things which suitable to me, and that only I take, and also the quantity. So I am really healthy anywhere I go. That's the blessing of this product. So I invite you all first to make yourself entire family healthy with the Max Genomics, and also, friends, spread this word. We will make India healthy, wealthy, and powerful nation. Thank you very much. You came here. And
Sir, one second. One Mr. Nagaraj Aughan has got one question.
Okay.
Hello, hello.
Yeah.
Can we see the product?
This product is what? One saliva kit. Okay. That's just like a tube, like it will come to your house. There is a preservative inside, and you have to give only 2 ml. You have to give only 2 ml saliva. That's all. We will give you that video also, how to spit. That's it. Then what? The report, which will come onto your email. The person who has invited you, ask him that elaborative report, sample report. Go through that, and also sample action plan you will get to see.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, welcome.
Sanmati Kulkarni, whether you want to ask any question, you can ask. You can unmute and ask.
I don't have any questions.
Hello, how much does this product cost?
See, the MRP for this product is 37,300, but today we are offering a distributor price which is 29,900. But since company has given this Corona period also some offer, they are saying if you buy 2, you will get only at 40,000 rupees, means 20,000 rupees for one person. That's all. And that is why this is very interesting and good product, because once you spend just 20,000 on yourself or family, entire life you will have very healthy, good life. Thank you.
Are you all giving any guarantee for that?
What guarantee, madam?
Any guarantee? If you won't have any illness later on?
Okay, good question. Now in medicine, people are here now taking 20 years, medicines. Does that doctor give you guarantee? You know why?
Well, I got the answer.
That's what. No, I'm giving you question answer also. So the point is, based on this genetic report, okay, how doctors will give you, suppose somebody given medicine. Now, doctor will not say that 100% it will be done. Right? You keep on taking for life. But with genetic profiling, with Max Genomics, one good part is, this will be given as what? Your entire body's manual kind of a thing, right? So it is there. Now, if you follow those, definitely this predisposition risk may not occur. It is in your hand. But it is authentic. It is 100% accurate report. It is similar to just how I explained that when even for crime, even for dead bodies investigation, Supreme Court also allows that DNA test because it is 100% accurate. Same 100% accuracy is here, madam. Okay? Same 100% accuracy is here. And actually, me as an example, see, I'm not a company person. Okay, just to tell you, good question you asked. See, I'm not a company person. Why I'm promoting? Because I had so many challenges in my life which got reduced because of genetic profiling. So I thought that, I should be taking it as a career. Now I'm genetic wellness and, business coach. And that's why I took up, because now many people are suffering like anything. Lakhs and lakhs of rupees they have to spend. So I'm educating them. Now this has become a passion, because you can see me also how the transformations happen because of that. So I'm not a company person. Okay, I'm just like you and me, which I did some tests earlier. That's all. Okay. Tomorrow, once you do it, you will get results. You will definitely promote it to others. Yeah? Thank you. Okay.